Ready? 3, 2, 1. So we made a pulley, so we put the string here and then we cut out holes and we put these yellow strings through it and we put 6 marbles in here, and when you pull it, it comes a little bit to the side, so you can just push it there and then start all over, and then you can start and do it.
So we made it with we made it with a string and a cup and with some pipe cleaners. So we put tape on the bottom of the cup and we put some marbles in it. Then we use this. We attach this to the thing, and then we tried it. And it made it all the way up to like right here.
Go ahead and pull it up. Very good.
We built a what is it? Pulley to pull Rapunzel up to her tower, and we use a popsicle stick to hold this up.
Okay.
And so we taped this, but we didn't work, so we taped the other string on top of the popsicle stick, and
Show me how it works. Oh, so you have 2 strings on either side that went through.
And we have 6 marbles. So first we did this to make it like go up. And then we decided to put this here to make it easier.
Was it easier once you did it that way? Okay, you got your marbles inside your cup. Okay, show me one more time. Pull it up. All the way to the top.
Made a pulley so Rapunzel can get to her tower. Adriana pull it. Adriana has to pull it to get all the 6 marbles up to Rapunzel's. So we tape this popsicle stick to the string for like balance, so it doesn't lean to one side. And then we have it like tape, and then so like it will like Can I go? So we put tape in here, then we put tape here, then we put a popsicle stick so we could put tape here, then we used a string and we used cups and we put 6 marbles inside here.
Okay, show me how it works. Wrong side.
Up. This is the pulley that we made, and we used popsicle stick from different colors, and we taped them together. So, like if when we pull it, it doesn't turn upside down, and then it doesn't fall out. So we put it
with your rope here. Show me how you did that with your rope.
We put the rope between the 2 popsicle sticks, and we taped the popsicle sticks on the paper towel roll, and then when we pull on here, it goes up and it doesn't fall, and we use pipe cleaners to connect this on the popsicle sticks, and we tape them together.